Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna do the Cricut EasyPress unboxing. I believe this is for like shirts and things like that. That people like vinyl, however it's pronounced. Do their t-shirts. And today we're just basically gonna unbox it and see what the box has in store for us today. EasyPress too. And excuse my messy room. I didn't clean it up, and I'm kind of new with this, so I'm just gonna go for it, man. Cricut EasyPress 2. Get professional results at home in just a few easy steps. Says it right there. You know, you can check it out. You know. Yeah, it looks like a nice little product they got here going on. So, yeah, as soon as you open the box, it gives you a message. It says, "Let's do this." So let's just do it. Like someone I can't say, but you know who I'm talking about. Cricut symbol out the gate. Nice Cricut symbol they give you. Okay, we're gonna sit that right there. Bring this around here. Use that for now. Okay. Bye. Let's do it. Envelope. Not sure what's in there. We'll see in a minute. And then immediately, of course, something to hold it still in there. And there you are. Okay, so we're just gonna sit this here for now. We're gonna actually sit that there for now. Take a look at this envelope. What could we possibly have in there? Cricut EasyPress 2. Initially, we got the welcome book, the manual, handout, whatever you want to call it. Okay. I'll tell you what's all inside of the box, or should be here. How to control it, how to get started, and stuff like that. So, you guys can give it a go if you want to, or goo, what they say. Alright, I'm just trying to be cool, y'all. I don't be knowing what to say. And then, registration and stuff like that. Right now, I'm gonna bring this back up here, like this actually, so you guys can take a look at it. So y'all, guess you can catch this at stores like Target, Hobby Lobby, Walmart. I think they'll ship it. Michael's, right off the basket. Show you right there. That's how it looks, y'all. Fresh off the box. Now, I'm not gonna make it long, man. We're gonna make it quick. Just a simple unboxing. Some people like to overtalk the videos and pull all these tricks and make people, I'm not here to do that. I'm here to show you what's in the goddamn box, okay? And that's it, folks. So, you guys want to check it out? About $200. This is the biggest one they had, in case people was showing all the smaller ones. I figured I'd get this one in. It's pretty big, actually. It's pretty big. looks, folks. I hope I missed the cord up. Cricut EasyPress, and they have the Easy Cutter as well. I was gonna get that and see what that was about, but come on. Unboxing, there you go, Cricut EasyPress 2. Thanks for tuning in, folks. MilTown Ent. You know, hit that button for me. Support. Really appreciate it. And that's pretty much gonna be it for the video. You know, check out my other videos. I make music videos and stuff like that. So stay tuned, folks, and there's gonna be more coming soon, okay? Peace.